There exists a proper cheat code, a proper strategy to master current affairs for your UPSC examination. Look, as UPSC aspirants, we all know these two things about current affairs. Number one, how important they are. We all know how important they are. In fact, they are the most important portion of your UPSC syllabus. 50% of your prelims exam and 50% of your mains exam would be related to current affairs. In fact, questions asked from your static portion would also be linked to your current affairs portion. Therefore, you cannot ignore current affairs at all. And number two, well, we all know how difficult they are to cover. First of all, there are so many sources from which you have to cover your current affairs. Then, all these newspapers are full of news articles. Some of those news articles are important, some of those news articles are unimportant. Now, how to choose the important ones and how to segregate the important ones from the unimportant ones? That's a skill to have, and that's very difficult. Plus, you have to cover current affairs for more than 1 year. In that long time, so many current affairs get piled up. Now, how to do a proper revision of current affairs? How to remember each and every current affair that you have covered in the past 1 year? Because questions in UPSC exam can be asked from any current affair that you have studied. And many candidates have complained that they generally forget those current affairs which they have studied and revised multiple times. So we all are doing something wrong. And in the end, we all search for these monthly capsules from different institutes and we revise them, we cram them, we do all sorts of rote learning, and then also nothing happens. We tend to forget current affairs in the final exam. This happens. But let me tell you, of more than 10 years of my experience and a lot of experimentation with different students of mine, I have created a foolproof strategy of covering current affairs. It is a foolproof strategy because, like I mentioned before, I have experimented it on many students of mine, like so many of them. And through hit and trial method, I have now created a foolproof strategy which I have experimented on many students and they have succeeded. As far as current affairs is concerned, they have definitely succeeded. Therefore, you should be aware of this foolproof strategy and you should know about this foolproof strategy and you should apply this foolproof strategy in your preparation, because without this, it would be very difficult for you to cover current affairs. Now, I had decided to keep this foolproof strategy a secret for so many years, only reserved for my own students. But now I have decided to reveal this strategy to all of you. And for that, I am organizing a workshop on Sunday, this coming Sunday. In that workshop, I am going to reveal this foolproof strategy, and you can register for this workshop and know this foolproof strategy. And trust me on this. This foolproof strategy will work wonders for you as far as your current affairs are concerned. You wouldn't have to worry about your current affairs portion at least. For your UPSC examination, you will be worryless. You won't have to worry about your current affairs at all, provided you prepare for current affairs as per this foolproof strategy. So register for this workshop to know this foolproof strategy. It is going to be a 1.5 hour workshop, but those 1.5 hours would be well spent. And the price for this workshop is just 195 rupees. That's it, 195 rupees. In fact, cups of coffee are more expensive than this price. Okay? So just for 195 rupees, you will get to know this foolproof strategy. And once you employ this foolproof strategy, well, current affairs would be a piece of cake for you. So to register for this workshop, all you have to do is just click on a link. A link will be shared in the description section of this video as well as the comment section under this video. Okay? The top comment just below this video contains a link. You just have to click on that link. It will take you to a web page where you can register for this workshop. Once you purchase this workshop, well, we will get in touch with you and we will share further details about this workshop with you. All you have to do is sit back, wait for Sunday, and then once this workshop begins, you'll get this golden foolproof strategy which will change your current affairs preparation for good. So see you in the workshop.